The MelGeek MADE68 Pro has been a pleasure to use, and its standout feature is the striking purple backlight, which adds a sleek and modern touch to any setup. It's a 65% mechanical keyboard, so it's compact enough to keep your desk looking tidy while still offering all the functionality you need. The build quality is outstanding, with a solid, premium feel that's apparent the moment you use it. Typing on it is incredibly satisfying. The switches are smooth, responsive, and deliver a sound that's enjoyable without being too loud. Whether you're working, gaming, or typing away on everyday tasks, it's a reliable and enjoyable experience. Visually, the MADE68 Pro is a standout. The clean design, paired with the elegant purple backlight, makes it as stylish as it is functional. It's a keyboard designed for people who value both performance and aesthetics. After using it for a while, it's clear that this keyboard ticks all the right boxes. It's practical, customizable, and a genuine upgrade to any workspace. The aesthetic of the keyboard also looks awesome. Check out more information about the MelGeek MADE68 Pro in our caption.